Welcome to Back in the Garage. Today's episode is going to be a cleanup of the car. I've already sprayed it down with some cleaner, and I sprayed it underneath, sprayed the wheel wells, sprayed the tires. I'll get under here and show you what it looks like. It's rather dirty, rather used. No big deal. It'll come clean, and then I'll coat it underneath and be another step in the process. Got my pipes tied up because I don't know how I'm going to do my exhaust yet. I'm going to buy from the cat back. I'm going to put the get up off the ground. I'm going to put electric cutouts on it more than likely, so I'm not going to pay the high dollar for the complete exhaust. I'll just make my own, and I'll set it up on the camera on the tripod and let everybody watch me pressure wash it, and I'll be right back. Okay, back to the live action. I don't have my microphone on. I'm not going to take time to go in and get it because it looks like it's going to be raining in a few minutes, and I want to get everything done that I'm going to do outside. nasty job. It's coming clean. It's just a slow process. It's come pretty clean underneath. I've got some more degreaser sprayed on some spots, trying to get it all done to where I can just wipe and spray the other off, so I can get the underneath the seat track. Rear mount is broke right there. I may fix it tomorrow. That way when I get I got where I can see all my gas lines and brake lines and stuff. I don't know what those lines go to. They might have had an automatic transmission in it. I think the gas lines are over there on that side. So I'm going to run my own gas lines, probably, because I'd say that those are probably bad, but it's coming clean. Okay, here's the underneath of the car. I think I need to get me some gunk foaming engine cleaner and spray it one more time. I'll have to do that after it dries, but I'm happy with the way it looks. There's no rust in the floorboard, no rust in the torque boxes, no rust in the shock towers. Only thing on the car that had any rust in it was the trunk lid, which I've already replaced. Got everything clean underneath. That, you know, it's not very greasy, but I believe a lot of this black stuff will come off when I get me some of that foaming engine degreaser stuff and spray on it. But like I say, I'm gonna spray it black underneath anyway, so it really doesn't matter. Okay, I'm gonna crank it up, and I'm pretty sure it's the positive traction rear end, but we're gonna check and see. Okay, I'll have to look at the video to see, but I didn't wash the car. I sprayed it off. No real sense in washing it. Clean the tires and wheels, fender wells, front and rear, underneath the car, engine bay, behind the engine. The transmission was greasy. Got it pretty clean. Hopefully I can get it the way I want it to look without having to pull the motor. But if it doesn't look the way I want it to look, I'll pull the motor. But that's going to end the video for today. We'll get it down off the jack stands. I'm going to put it in the garage and Probably gonna work on the driver's side floorboard where it's busted at the left rear seat bracket. Y'all have a good rest of your day. And if you got a chance, get out in the garage and work on something.